Emily here. So welcome to a Forever 21 haul slash try on. So I got some clothes and I'm very excited to open them. Most of the stuff I got is like bralettes, and I got some socks, and I got some really cool clothing pieces. One I'm gonna wear soon, and then the other two is like for fall. So I'm really excited to open this up. I haven't did a kind of like a haul since February, so I'm excited that I bought some things. So let's open it up. Very big package. Okay. So I'm just going to pull out whatever I see in here. So I'm not going to open this up because it's not like that exciting. But I got men t-shirts because I'm going to dye it for my boyfriend. So I got 2 of these in here. There's so many things coming out right now. I got 2 of these. Hopefully they fit him because I got a size medium thinking it would. But they kind of look big. So I'm kind of a little bit scared. But hopefully it will fit him. So I got 2 of these to tie-dye. They're 100% cotton. So it was really nice. So yeah, hopefully these fit him. So this is not really a bralette, but I thought this was kind of really interesting. I got this. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's kind of like a bra, but it's like a sapless one, and I thought it would be really cool because I don't really have any of these, so I want to try it out. So that's what it looks like. It has wire in it, so that's the only thing I'm not really crazy about because I don't like bras when they have that. So that's the only thing I'm not crazy about, but I think it'd be really interesting to wear. So that's what I got. And sorry for keep cutting the videos and stuff. I had to close my blinds because it was getting dark in here and then getting light. So I don't know why it was doing that. But yeah. So then I also got a pair of underwear. I'm not going to open it up because I don't know. I prefer... Actually, no. This is not my underwear. This is actually a bralette I got. Oh, wow. Look at that. That's kind of cute. So I got this. It's not padded as I thought it would be. But I got this. I got it in a different color because I don't really... All my other bralettes are black. I don't know if you can tell. But I thought it would be more of a gray color. It's supposed to be charcoal. But to me it kind of looks like a light purple kind of. So I got that bralette. It's pretty simple. Something cute to wear because I like bralettes better than bras. And then I got a pair of socks. I had white ones of these, but they got dirty and they don't have it. They don't have it in white anymore. They sold out. So I got these, and online these look a lot different. They are more purplish. But online they look more like a cream color. But so yeah, I have another pair, but they look purple though. But I still like it though. It's still cute. So I got these. I have another bralette here. Bralettes at Forever 21 is a lot cheaper than most places, let me tell you. So I got this one. This one's cute. Just simple ones. So that's cute. Then I got a pair of 5 socks. I'm pulling out all the non-special things. So if you want to keep watching, make sure you keep watching because I have more cool things soon. But yeah, I got these just 5 black socks because I needed them. Because I got some stuff for fall. All this is all the clothing pieces. Let's see. I was supposed to get a pair of underwear, but I actually don't see them. Oh, here's another pair of socks I got. These I really love. I wanted them before, but they sold out. The little cat socks, and they say meow on them. With little cat ears. So I thought they were cute. I love Forever 21 socks so much. There was tons more that I wanted, but I didn't want to spend too much money. Because I also bought some stuff on Hot Topic as well. So I'm going to pull these out. Oh, which is... Okay. I was about to say, I'm my underwear is not hiding in here. I'm probably not going to show this. Well, I'll show it. It just looks like this. It actually looks kind of big on me. Yeah, it actually looks really big. Uh-oh. Maybe I should have got a small. The only thing about ordering things online, you don't know the sizes. You think it's some size and then you turn out not to be, so. Okay, so I got my clothing piece in here. I got 3 clothing pieces. So yeah, I'm gonna start with this one because this one's more for summer, and I'm gonna wear this soon. This is stuff that I got different. Usually I wouldn't wear this kind of stuff, but I decided to get it. And this stuff was actually on sale, so that's another reason I got it. So I got this. I got it in a size medium, and I'm hoping it fits me. Because sometimes I wear a size small or medium, so hopefully it does good. So this is what I got. It is a wample, and plus a lot of the wamples I got shrink, so that's another thing. I got a wample, and it has this like flower pattern on it. And it's like, it doesn't have any straps, so it just like hangs out on your shoulders, which I don't have anything like that. So it should be interesting. It looks really cute. This is not a color I normally would wear, but I want to wear it for my boyfriend's welcome home party because he's in the military. So I thought this would be really cute to wear. And I have a military bow that has his last name on it, so I thought it would match. So that is what I got. So that's what that is. I'll try it on then. And then the next thing I got is this. It's like a maroon nice top for fall. They had a black one as well, but I'm like, I have so much black clothes, I try to stay away from it a little bit. And I got this in size small because I didn't have the medium, and I was like, maybe I can fit in it, so let's hope I can. It looks pretty big, so I might be able to. So this is kind of like, I'm getting like really hippie-ish stuff. It's kind of like, it goes down to here, so like it kind of hangs here as well, and it's kind of like half sleeves, and it has like some like flower pattern on it, if you can see that, and on the bottom. I thought it would be really cute to wear for fall, and I love maroon. I think that's just a pretty color, so I really like it, and this is really different what I would wear, so I thought I would definitely try it out. So I got that, and then I got one more shirt I got for this fall. Like, I wanted to get more things too, but I sticked. I didn't want to spend too much. It was like 107 for this stuff. And I got it on sale too, because when I went to look at the clothes and stuff, I looked at like stuff on sale instead of like the new stuff, so I could get it like for a good discount. So this is what I got. This is the last item. I think it's really cute. It has purple flowers. Everything I got kind of does not look like what it did online. This is kind of like the only thing that actually looked like it. Well, and that as well, what I just showed you, the maroon one. But yeah, I thought this would be really cute to wear because it's long sleeves. It has like, it's black, so it's like, you know, something I would wear because I love wearing black. And it's purple, and it has this like, kind of like different, the tag's in the way. This different thing on the front, so I thought that would be really cute. I'm so bad at explaining clothes. But yeah, I thought this would be really cute to wear, like with leggings and boots. So I really like that because I really want to get some new stuff for fall because all I have is like t-shirts. Like they're nice ones, but like they're old, like, you know what I mean? Like I had them, been wearing it for a while, so I kind of wanted new pieces. So yeah, especially since, like, you know, I work a lot, so I, like, you know what I mean, like, on my days off, I would like to, like, get dressed up, especially since my boyfriend's back. You know, I want to, like, you know, look cute, you know what I mean? So, yeah, so that's what I got. So I'm going to try on the shirts and the wample for you guys. So you guys can see what it looks like on me, and if you want to buy it, you can go check it out. I don't know if it would be on sale still or not. But yeah, so yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'm going to show you guys it on me now. So guys, this is the first one. This is the top. It is longer at the back of it, and it's shorter up here, which I'm not crazy about, but with a tank top it will be fine. But yeah, I love this. I think it's so cute, and it really gives you that fall hippie vibes, and I just really love this top. So here is the second top. It is cute. I just wish the material was like the last one, like soft. It's not like a soft material. It's kind of rough a little bit, but it's a really cute top. It does come down low, so I will have to wear a tank top with this. But I think the design is really cute. This is really unique, and I just really like the flowers, and it's purple, and it's just really cute for October. So yeah, and it has like nice sleeves, as you can tell, really long sleeves. So yeah, I like this one as well. So here is the romper. It's really cute. I could actually wear it like this if I wanted to make it kind of like that sleeve kind of look, or I can put it down like here to have that look as well. So I really like the two different kind of looks, but this is where it is. It's not too short. So yeah, it's really cute and it's really comfortable and I really like it and I love these heels with it. I have not had an excuse to wear these, so I kind of want to wear it to the party, or I could wear flats, but I think this is really nice. It's very different from what I usually would wear, and I just think it's really cute, and I love this print a lot. So, because I love roses, and flowers, so yeah, I think it's really cute and adorable. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe and see more of my face. Bye!